Every coffee country has a story. Some roads carry us through a city. Others carry us through its history. This is Võ Văn Kiệt Boulevard, running beside the Tàu Hủ, Bến Nghé Canal, one of the historic waterways of Saigon. Long before this modern road existed, boats traveled along the canal, connecting the Mekong Delta, Chợ Lớn, and the center of the city. Agricultural products and everyday goods arrived at its wharves. Communities developed around the movement of people and trade. The canal was not simply a waterway. It carried the story of Saigon. Coffee-producing countries are much the same. Every country has its own coffee story, shaped by geography, history, culture, and people. Ethiopia carries coffee's deep botanical heritage and extraordinary genetic diversity. Yemen helped develop its early cultivation and introduced coffee to international trade through the port of Mocha. Indonesia's coffee story stretches across islands, communities, and centuries of change. Brazil transformed coffee through scale, research, and agricultural development. Colombia built a national coffee identity closely connected with generations of smallholder producers. And Vietnam became the world's leading producer of Robusta, while a new generation is now developing Fine Robusta, specialty Arabica, and more distinctive expressions of Vietnamese origin. These countries all produce coffee, but they do not share the same journey. Just as a historic canal is more than water, an origin is more than a name printed on a coffee bag. Behind it are varieties, landscapes, farming systems, and local traditions. There are also difficult chapters: colonialism, changing markets, climate pressures, and the struggle of producers to receive fair value. Today, Võ Văn Kiệt Boulevard runs beside the old canal. The water carries the memory of the past. The road carries the movement of the present. Coffee also brings these two dimensions together. Its history gives an origin its identity. Innovation helps that identity continue into the future. So, when we drink coffee from Ethiopia, Yemen, Indonesia, Brazil, Colombia, or Vietnam, we are not simply tasting different countries. We are discovering different chapters of one global coffee journey. Because every coffee-producing country has a story. Every origin carries a memory.